Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 15, Putting It All Together, The Path to Riches. Welcome back to the audiobook of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, your ultimate guide to transforming dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into Chapter 15, Putting It All Together, The Path to Riches. This chapter is your final blueprint, a roadmap to combine every principle we've learned into a powerful plan for success. If you're ready to make your goals unstoppable, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's get started. You've journeyed through 14 chapters of life-changing wisdom, from the burning desire of Chapter 1 to conquering fear in Chapter 14. Now, it's time to unite these principles into a system that works. Napoleon Hill didn't just give us ideas, he gave us a science of success. His 13 principles, desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, persistence, the mastermind, sex transmutation, the subconscious mind, the brain, and the sixth sense, form a chain of power. Add the courage to outwit fear, and you have everything you need to grow rich, not just in money, but in purpose, joy, and impact. In this chapter, we'll recap these principles, show how they connect, and give you a practical plan to live them every day. Why does this matter? Hill says success isn't random, it's deliberate. Every great achiever, from Henry Ford to modern icons like Oprah Winfrey, follows these principles, consciously or not. By mastering them, you align your mind, actions, and energy with your definite goal. Think of it like building a rocket. Each principle is a component, and together, they launch you to the stars. Your job is to fuel them with persistence and faith, no matter the challenges. Let's see this in action. Consider Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Her journey started with a burning desire to create empowering shapewear. She used faith to believe in her vision, affirming it through autosuggestion. She gained specialized knowledge by studying fabrics and markets, and her imagination sparked a revolutionary product. She made organized plans, decided to pitch retailers, and persisted through countless rejections. Her mastermind group, mentors, and partners amplified her efforts. She channeled her passion, programmed her subconscious, and trusted her sixth sense for bold moves. When fears of failure or criticism crept in, she faced them head-on. The result? A $1 billion empire. Blakely's story shows how Hill's principles weave together to create extraordinary success. So, let's recap the principles and how they connect. First, desire from Chapter 1 is your fuel, a clear, obsessive goal. Write it down like, by 2039, I will be a tech entrepreneur earning $1 million through AI solutions. Second, faith from Chapter 2 builds belief. Visualize your success, your app launching, your team thriving, and feel it as real. Third, autosuggestion from Chapter 3 programs your mind. Affirm daily, I am a successful entrepreneur and my vision is unstoppable. Fourth, specialized knowledge from Chapter 4 equips you. Learn coding or partner with experts. Fifth, imagination from Chapter 5 sparks ideas like a unique AI feature. Sixth, organized planning from Chapter 6 maps your path. Set milestones. Learn coding by 2026, build a prototype by 2027, launch by 2028. Seventh, decision from Chapter 7 drives action. Enroll in a course today. Don't wait. Eighth, persistence from Chapter 8 keeps you going, even when investors say no. Ninth, the mastermind group from Chapter 9 multiplies your power. Connect with coders, marketers, and mentors. 10th, sex transmutation from Chapter 10 channels your passion into focus and energy. 11th, the subconscious mind from Chapter 11 absorbs your affirmations and visualizations, guiding your actions. 12th, the brain from Chapter 12 broadcasts your vision, attracting ideas. 13th, the sixth sense from Chapter 13 offers intuitive nudges. Trust them. Finally, outwitting fear from Chapter 14 clears the path, defeating doubts that block your progress. These principles aren't separate. They're a symphony. Desire ignites faith, which autosuggestion strengthens. Knowledge and imagination fuel planning, driven by decision and persistence. Your mastermind amplifies everything, while passion, the subconscious, and intuition keep you aligned. Conquering fear ensures nothing stops you. Together, they create a force that turns dreams into reality. Let's look at another example. Think about Elon Musk, whose $1 trillion empire spans Tesla and SpaceX. His desire was to revolutionize transportation and space. He used faith to believe in electric cars, affirming his vision through autosuggestion. He learned rocket science, imagined reusable rockets, and planned Tesla's growth. He made bold decisions, persisted through near bankruptcy, and built a mastermind of engineers. He channeled passion, programmed his subconscious, and trusted his gut. When fear of failure loomed, he pushed through. Musk's success proves that Hill's system can change the world. So, how do you live these principles every day? Hill gives us a 10-step plan to make this system yours. First, define your definite goal. Be specific. By 2040, I will be a best-selling author, earning $300,000 through my novels. Vague dreams won't cut it. Second, build a daily routine. Spend 10 minutes each morning affirming your goal, visualizing success, and planning one action. Affirm, I am a best-selling author, and my stories inspire millions. Visualize your book launch, then write 500 words today. Third, form a mastermind group. Find 3 people, writers, editors, marketers, who share your vision. Meet weekly, brainstorm ideas, and hold each other accountable. Fourth, learn and act. Study writing craft through courses or books, then write a chapter or pitch an agent. Fifth, face fear daily. If you fear rejection, send 1 query letter. If you fear poverty, save $5. Small wins build courage. Sixth, persist. Writing a novel takes years. Keep going, even when it's tough. Seventh, trust your intuition. If a story idea feels right, write it. Your sixth sense will guide you. Eighth, stay positive. Feed your subconscious with uplifting inputs. Read inspiring stories. Skip negative news. Ninth, adapt your plan. If one agent says no, refine your pitch and try another. Flexibility is key. 10th, celebrate progress. Each chapter written, each fear faced, is a victory. Reward yourself, a coffee, a movie, to keep momentum. Let's make this practical. Think of your biggest goal, maybe a business, a career, or a passion project. Write it down. By 2041, I will be a chef owning a Michelin-starred restaurant, earning $400,000. Create a routine, 10 minutes daily to affirm, I am a world-class chef and my dishes inspire. Visualize your restaurant and plan one action. Test a recipe. Network with a chef. Form a mastermind, chefs, food critics, marketers. Learn a new technique, like molecular gastronomy, and serve a dish to friends. Face a fear. Pitch your pop-up to investors. Persist, trust your gut, stay positive, adapt, celebrate. This is your path to riches. One more story to inspire you. Consider Oprah Winfrey, worth $2.5 billion. Her desire was to inspire millions through media. She used faith to believe in her talk show, autosuggestion to affirm her talent, and specialized knowledge to master broadcasting. Her imagination created OWN, and her plans scaled her empire. She made bold decisions, persisted through rejection, and built a mastermind of producers. She channeled passion, programmed her subconscious, and trusted her intuition. When fears of failure or criticism arose, she faced them. Oprah's journey shows how Hill's principles build a life of impact. Hill's final wisdom: success is a journey, not a destination. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. Every achiever, from Carnegie to Winfrey, stumbled but never quit. You'll stumble too, but these principles will carry you. Your desire, faith, and courage are your greatest assets. Use them, and nothing can stop you. That's Chapter 15 of Think and Grow Rich. You've learned how to put it all together, combining desire, faith, persistence, and courage to forge your path to riches. Sarah Blakely, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, they mastered this system, and so can you. Write your goal, build your plan, and take that first step today. Your future is waiting. What's one action you'll take today to start your path to riches? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. If this chapter fired you up, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay inspired. Stay tuned for our final wrap-up coming next. You'll find it in the playlist linked below. Until then, keep dreaming big, keep acting, and let's grow rich together. Think and Grow Rich book. Conclusion: your journey begins now. And here we are at the end of our incredible journey through Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. What a ride it's been! From the spark of desire in Chapter 1 to the fearless mindset of Chapter 14 and the final blueprint in Chapter 15, you've uncovered the secrets of success used by legends like Andrew Carnegie, Thomas Edison, and modern icons like Oprah Winfrey and Elon Musk. This isn't just a book, it's a way of life, and now it's your turn to live it. Napoleon Hill spent over 20 years studying the world's greatest achievers, distilling their wisdom into these 13 principles. But they're not just ideas, they're tools. Desire, faith, persistence, imagination, and the mastermind aren't abstract. They're the keys to your future. You've learned to dream big, plan smart, act boldly, and face fear head-on. You've seen how J.K. Rowling turned rejection into a $25 billion empire, how Sarah Blakely built Spanx with grit, and how Chadwick Boseman left a legacy through purpose. Their stories prove one thing: you have the power to shape your destiny. So what's next? This audiobook isn't the end, it's the beginning. Hill's principles only work when you use them. Right now, grab a pen, write your definite goal, one that lights you up. Affirm it daily, visualize it vividly, and take one small step today. Join a mastermind group, learn a skill, face a fear. Each action builds your path to riches, not just in money, but in meaning, freedom, and joy. Hill's promise is simple: whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. As you step into your future, carry this truth: you are enough. Your dreams are valid. Your potential is limitless. And your time is now. The world is waiting for your greatness. So go out there, apply these principles, and make your mark. We're rooting for you. Thank you for joining this audiobook journey. What's the first step you're taking toward your dreams? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. If Think and Grow Rich changed your mindset, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Check out our playlist for more inspiration. Until we meet again, keep dreaming, keep doing, and let's grow rich together.